Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable YouTube's incognito mode. Follow these steps. First, you have to open the YouTube app on your mobile device. And if you're using the YouTube app, then you have to tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. That's a U icon. Tap on that. And from the menu that appears, you have to see on the top that says turn on incognito mode right here. And tap that option. So now on the bottom that says you're incognito, and while incognito mode you can browse and watch videos without YouTube saving your search and watching history. Your subscriptions and notification will also be temporarily hidden. And to exit incognito mode, simply tap on your profile picture again and select turn off cognito. In the bottom right corner there's U icon, and here it says nothing is added to the U tab while you're incognito, so simply tap on the turn off if you want to disable the incognito mode. And enabling incognito mode on YouTube is a great way to browse and watch videos without your activity being saved to your account. But keep in mind that while in incognito mode, your activity may still be visible to your internet service provider and employer, and any downloads or bookmarks you create will be saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.